When it comes to repeatability in production, there's no manufacturer better than Makino at holding size, holding tolerances, and being able to repeat that over and over again. My name is Dax Strohmeyer. I'm the president and CEO of Triangle Manufacturing. So when people ask me what Triangle's value proposition is, what is it that we do best? My answer is usually tight tolerance and complex geometry. When it comes to decision making on machine tools, we look at the application first, and we try to pair the right machine tools with the right application with the right product. When we talk about tight tolerance, complex geometry work, we're holding tenths. With Makino, there's no question that the money is worth the investment because you get that repeatability, you get that accuracy.
We do have higher production at times, and then we do also want the mix of having flexibility. That's the whole reason for the MMC here that we installed. We want to, meet customers' needs. That's the most important. So having that flexibility to run any job at any time that comes up and we need to switch and change our production schedule is really important to us.
It's very hard for me to specifically says which machine I will go for it. The reason why that's one of the reasons we choose the MMC combination with the A51s and D500. Because guess what? On this system, there is no job I cannot do it. If I buy a single machine, which one have a limited envelope or limited tooling, stuff like that, and that's put a constraint around you, okay? That system doesn't have no constraint except running. If I have a specific product, I'll look it up deep into it, but like I said, we have a DA300s, great machines. We have this machine, great machine. We have a bench of A51s, great machines, okay? Just the job specific, when we feel the best fit for the machine, that's why we put the job. Because we have so much different machines, that's the flexibility we have. And this machine is so flexible, you can make that small part, and you can put small fixture, and you can put that big fixture, and put so many parts.
And that's the beauty of it. That's really what when we invested in our first MMC, and even now into our second, that was the problem that we were trying to solve. Was we have a very high mix, and most of it is low volume, and it really has accomplished everything that we hoped it would accomplish. We had one job in our old MMC that for a period of time our customer had sourced somewhere else. About a year and a half later, we hadn't taken the tools out of the machine, and when we went back to go run it, the first piece off was good. We kind of always had a feeling that it was going to come back, and when it finally did, we're like, all right, the fixture's still in the doghouse. We still have the tools in the machine. Like, let's go see how far off we are and what adjustments we have to make. And it's like, holy shit. Zero adjustment. Makino is definitely a part of our future vision of where we're going and the machine tools that we're going to be using going forward. And I can't say more than that about how good Makinos are.